Hi dear students, on the previous class we discussed the chapter 2 money and we also discussed the conversion of rupee into paise and conversion of paise into rupee and we studied the addition of money. Today we are going to discuss the word problem based on the addition of money. Okay, the first all of you look at the textbook, open the textbook, page number 104. So all of you open the textbook, page number 104. Exercise 2.3. All of you look at the first question. So if you look at the first question, Anu bought a notebook for rupees 8 rupee 75 paise and a pen for rupees 5 rupee 50 paise. How much money did she pay for the two items? So this is the question. Anu bought a notebook for rupees 8 rupees 75 paise. The amount of book. What is the amount of book? The amount of book is equal to 8 rupee 75 paise. And also she bought a pen for rupees 5 rupees 50 paise. That means the amount of pen. The amount of a pen is equal to 5 rupee 50 paise. So what is our question? How much money did she pay for the two items? That means to find the total amount for a book and a pen. The total amount. That means total amount means how will you find out the total amount? Good. The sum of the amount of book and the sum of the book of amount of book and a pen. That means the total amount or the money spent both a book and a pen. The total amount is equal to, for that, the amount of a book plus the amount of a pen. What is the amount of a book? Yes, very good. What is the amount of a book? 8 rupee 75 paise plus, what is the amount of a pen? 5 rupee 50 paise. So in the previous class we studied the sum or to find the sum of 2 rupees and paise. First we have to write the units on the top. The next represent the amount 8 rupee, rupees 8 and 75 paise. This is the space of paise, that is 75. The next 5 rupee 50 paise. This is the column of rupee. How many rupee? 5 rupee. That means the bottom of, this is the space of rupees and the bottom of 8 write 5. Okay. So how many paise? It has 50 paise. 50 paise. So this is the space of paise. On the bottom write 50. Okay. Correct. 5 bottom right 0, the 7 bottom right 5. Okay. Then we will find the sum. First we have to add the numbers 0 and 5. 0 plus 5. What is 0 plus 5? Yes, 5. The next, add 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5? 12. 7 plus 5? 12. That means 2 right and 1 is in the carryover. Carryover at the top or bottom. No problem about that. Okay. The next add 8 plus 5. 8 plus 5 is 13. 8 plus 5 is 13. Add the carryover 1. 13 plus 1? 14. 14. Then that means how many amount spent for book and a pen? 14 rupees 25 paise. This is the total amount she spent for a book and a pen. Okay. The next, Veena bought vegetables for rupees 52 paise, 60 rupees, and fruits for 45 paise, 50 rupees, and a sugar for rupees 30. How much money did she spend in all? That means to find the total amount spent for a vegetable, fruits, and a sugar. That is the question. That means we will write the second answer. Okay. All of you write the question number 2. That means Veena bought a vegetable for rupees 52 rupees 60 paise. That means the amount spent for vegetable, the amount of vegetables. The money or the money spent for vegetables. Okay. Is equal to 52 rupee 60 paise. The amount spent for fruits. That means how many? 45 rupee 50 paise. The amount spent for sugar. Is equal to rupees 30. Has no paise, only rupees. That means the total amount he spent in all. The amount he spent in all. The amount she spent in all. That means the amount of vegetables plus the amount of fruits plus the amount of sugar. That means rupees 52 rupee 60 paise plus 45 rupee 50 paise plus rupees 30. So this is the amount of vegetables and this is the amount of fruits and this is the amount of sugar. That means to find the sum, rupees 52 and paise 60, rupees 45 and the paise 50 and the sugar only rupees not paise. That means this is the rupees space 30. Just no paise. At that time we will write 00. Then symbol. Sign of addition. That is positive. The next adder. 0 plus 0 plus 0. Yes, 0. 6 plus 5 plus 0. 11. What is 11? Right? 1 is in the carryover. The next 2 plus 5 plus 0 plus the carryover 1. What is that? 2 plus 5 plus 0 plus 1. Yes, 8. Okay. The next add 5 plus 4 plus 3. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. What is that? 12. So how many amount he spent? 128 rupees 10 paise. That is rupees 128 10 paise. The next question number 5. So your homework is there. That will do question number 4 and 5 yours homework. Okay. So next you will write the question number 5. That question is very important. Question number 5. So what is the question? The table costs rupees 175 rupee 80 paise more than a chair. The chair cost rupees 99 rupees 90 paise. What is the cost of a table? That is a question. What is the cost of the table? On this question, the chair amount is there. Chair cost is there. What is the chair cost? The chair cost is equal to 99 rupees 90 paise. And one hint is there. The table cost, the amount of table is more than 175 rupee 80 paise more than a chair. The chair cost is there on our question. So what is the cost of a table? Cost of a table. How will you find out the cost of a table? The cost of a table is equal to, how will you find out? More than 178 rupee 75, 175 rupee 80 paise, more than a chair. Chair, more than means plus. That means 175 rupee 80 paise more than a chair. Chair amount is in 99 rupees 90 paise. So this is the cost of a table. So we will add rupees paise. 175 rupee 80 paise and 99. Look at this, very important. 99 means 9 right here and another right 9 here. Not right here. Okay. That means 90 paise. Then add 0 plus 0, 0. 8 plus 9, 17. Write 7. 1 is in the carryover. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 9, 15. Write 5. Again 1 is a carryover. 7 plus 9, 16. Plus the carryover 17. Then 1 plus 1, 2. So what is the cost of a table? 275 rupee 70 paise. That is the cost of a table. Okay. So this is the cost of the table. So the next one, the subtraction of money. Subtraction of money. Next section, subtraction of money. So if you look at the first question, exercise 2.4. First question, subtract rupees paise. How many rupees? 180 rupees 56 paise and 98 rupees 70 paise. Then subtract means subtract like the ordinary number. Subtract like the ordinary number. First we have to write the units on the top. Then the numbers are arranged. Okay. Then next 6 minus 0. 6 minus 0. Yes, 6. Then 5 minus 7. 5 minus 7. It's not possible. There are not enough numbers on the top. That means taken as a borrow. We will come here. So also 0 we can not take. Then here next 7 and 0 comes 10. Then taken as a borrow 9. Here 15. 15 minus 7. 8. Then 9 minus 8. 1. 7 minus 9. It's not possible. Taken as a borrow. Then 17. Here 0. 17 minus 9. Very good. 8. That means 81 rupees 86 paise. 81 rupees 86 paise. Okay. Then next rupees paise. 556 rupees 82 paise. 412 rupees 74 paise. Then subtract 2 minus 4. It's not possible. Taken as a borrow. At that time 8 comes 7. 2 comes 12. 12 minus 4. Yes, possible. 12 minus 4 is in 8. Then 7 minus 7. 0. 6 minus 2. Yes, 4. Very good. 5 minus 1. Yes, 4. 5 minus 4. Yes, 1. So this is the answer. So how many rupees? 144 rupees 08 paise or 8 paise. Okay, then clear. Then next, how many rupees? 129 rupees 8 paise, 96 rupees 59 paise. So 8 minus 9, it's not possible, taken as a borrow. Here 0. Then we will come the next number 9. 9 is 8 and 0 comes 10. Is it? 0 comes 10. Then taken as a borrow. Here 10 is there. We will taken as a borrow. At that time 10 comes 9. 10 comes 9 and 8 is reduced as 18. 8 is reduced as 18. Okay. Then next 18 minus 9. 18 minus 9. Yes, 9. Then next 9 minus 5. 9 minus 5. Okay, very good. 4. Then next 8 minus 6. 2. Then next 2 minus 9. It's not possible. Taken as a borrow. At that time 0, 1 comes 0 and 2 comes 12. 12 minus 9. Yes, very good. 3. So how many rupees? 32 rupees 49 paise. How many rupees? 32 rupees 49 paise. The next we will solve the word problem based on this subtraction of money. Then all of you look at the exercise 2.5. All of you look at the exercise 2.5. Page number 106. Page number 106. Exercise 2.5. All of you look at the first question. Jayant has rupees 20 with him. So on her hand, on Jayant's hand, 20 rupees is there. He bought a chocolate for rupees 18 rupee 50 paise for his sister. He bought a chocolate. What is the amount of a chocolate? 18 rupees 50 paise. How much money was left with him? So what is our question? The remaining amount. To find the remaining amount. So on her hand, how many amount is there? 20 rupees. So he bought a chocolate for rupees 18 rupees 50 paise. So in our question, how much money was left with him? That means the balance amount. Is it? The remaining amount. Okay. That means to find the remaining amount. So how will you find the remaining amount? The amount of a chocolate is rupees 20 and he spent out of 20, 80 rupees 50 paise he spent for the chocolate. The remaining amount he spent. How will you find out the remaining amount? Subtract. That means rupees 20 minus 18 rupees 50 paise. So this is the balance amount. So we will do the subtract. Rupees paise. So on his 20 rupees, that means 20. How many paise? It's not paise, 0. The next 18 rupees 50 paise. The rupees is in 18 and the paise is in 50 paise. Then subtract. Then how you subtract? First we have to start here. 0 minus 0. Yes, 0. The next 0 minus 5. It's not possible. So, what's the remaining amount? 1 rupees 50 paise. That is 1 rupees 50 paise. So, this is the first question. So, now if you look at the second question. Shilja has rupees 254 rupees 60 paise in her piggy bank to buy 2 any Blyton books for rupees 300. How much more money does she need? So, Shijila has 254 rupees 60 paise in her piggy bank. He buy two books. Okay. The amount of books is rupees 300. So, how much amount more want to need to buy the book? That is the question. How much more money she want to buy the book? Okay, that is the question. So, how will you find out? Very good. Subtract. More need to. How much money more need means subtraction. That's it. So, the remaining amount, balance amount, that is in subtract. How much more money need to buy the book? That means subtract. More money she need to buy the book is equal to rupees 300 minus rupees 254 rupees 60 paise. That means subtract. Rupees paise 300 no paise 254 rupee 60 paise. 0 minus 0 0 0 minus 6 not possible, taken as a borrow. Here 0 no, next place come here 0, then next here comes 2, then here comes 0 comes say 10 and reducer of 9, here 10 and we will take the borrow. 10 comes 9 and 0 comes 10. 10 minus 6 4, 9 minus 4 5, 9 minus 5 4, 2 minus 2 0. So, how many more amount need to? 45 rupees 45 Okay, that is today's portion. So, we will study the subtraction of money. So, using subtraction of money to find the amount. Okay, 3 exercise 2.5 2 questions and we will do the word problem exercise 2.3 using the addition of numbers to find the answers. Okay, that means this is the portions today and you have homework is there. Exercise 2.3 3 and 4. Exercise 2.3 3 and 4 is your homework and all of you do the exercise 2.4, that is the subtraction of money. That is today's portion. All of you clear this portion? Thank you.